And the first guy I want to talk about, you may remember, we've covered him already. It's Garrett Rolfe from the Rayshard Brooks case. I think this guy would be a great candidate for SPAZ, which is the Special Police Autonomous Zone, of course. Garrett Rolfe was the guy who shot Rayshard right in the back as he was running away. So as a recap, if you don't remember, Rayshard got stopped for a DUI. He was being investigated. And when they were putting him under arrest, they got into an altercation and he ran away. He pointed a taser back. Garrett Rolfe shoots him, kills him, and he's dead. Well, we covered the story about what happened to Garrett Rolfe. He was actually charged with murder, and we've got an update for you on that story. So he has been granted a bond, $500,000 bond with an ankle monitor. The judge said he's not a flight risk, but has no ties to the community. So actually imposed, a sort of a high bond, $500,000 for a murder charge. In my mind, is not super high. Many of those people, many people who are charged with murder are not released on bond. They're not released out of custody at all because they killed somebody. So, when a judge is thinking about whether to release somebody, so when you get arrested, you're going to go into court. They're going to put you in handcuffs. They're going to bring you in front of a judge. And of course, the judge is going to determine some things. And one of the most important things is your release conditions. Can you be released or not? And the judge is going to consider certain things, the nature of the crime. They're also going to look at your criminal record. Do you have any criminal history? They'll look at the, sort of your ties to the community. Are you plugged in? Are you planted here? Do you have family? Do you have friends? Do you have a job? And are you a flight risk? Are you somebody who's going to hop on a plane and travel to, a non-extradition country or something like that? These are what they're considering. And so the judge considered that in Garrett's case and actually did grant him bond. So he's got 10 charges. Here's how they break down: felony murder, straight bond, $250,000, violation of oath of a public office, $20,000, criminal damage, $10,000. Aggravated assault for the shooting, $35,000 for aggravated assault on a second victim and a third victim. So apparently he posted the bond. He got that money, or he got that funding from somewhere, or used a bail bond company, or did something. And he is now out of custody. So he is roaming the streets free. We're going to continue to follow that story along and see what happens to Garrett Rolfe. The other officer who was involved in the case also got charged with a crime. We covered that last week. Devin Brosnan was being charged with aggravated assault and 2 violations of oath of office. So that's the update on Rayshard Brooks.